What's going on, guys? Clayton coming at you again from Two-Way Direct. Today we're going to do an extra care video for the NX-1300. So one of the very first things I tell people when they're buying a radio is don't carry it by the antenna. I know it seems simple, but don't carry it by the antenna. One of the next things, and now this is a big secret, but the less you drop your radio, the longer you'll have it. Now granted, you could drop your radio and everything is just fine, but I guarantee you'll need a newer one quicker than you would have if you just didn't drop it in the first place. So, one of the real specific things about a Kenwood is that it actually has a screw-in port at the bottom for its accessories. Some radios have this, but Kenwood is one of the ones that does. So when you plug the accessory in, you want to make sure to screw that part in tightly, because this jack is actually very sensitive, and something being torn out of it will actually hurt it. Another piece of advice, when plugging these into chargers, make sure that the radio is off. I can't tell you how many times I've seen someone with a dead radio because they kept putting it into the charger while it was on. That is a surefire way to drain a battery within months of its purchase. Now, like most radios, all you really need to do to clean this is a quick wipe down with the Clorox wipe. You want to make sure to keep away from the accessory jack. If you have an accessory cover, even better, that way you can fully clean it. You want to take a look at the NX-1300? Visit our website at twowaydirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893 to talk to one of our sales reps about it today. All right, we look forward to hearing from you. Talk to you soon.